Alright guys, oh man, move the truth. We cooked some homemade chicken in the oven. That's good. That's good. Gotta cook the damn beans too. Now, see what we got here. Alright. Turn the light on here real quick. Alright. Gotta get some mittens. So I'll pause the video and show what they look like. Let's go. Alright guys, we took it out of the oven. So let's do a first look. Let's go. I mean, we cooked it in at 350 for about maybe 2 hours. So baked chicken. I love chicken, guys. I love chicken. So let's see what it. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like, man. I hope it turns out really good, cause I like to eat chicken. I love chicken, though. Here we go. Damn, let's go. Wow, that looks really good, guys. What do you guys think? Onion. I mixed it with some onion. That looks really good. I like skin too. That's good. So I took the chicken out of the juices. Man, let me tell you guys, it's so freaking tender, guys. Look at this stuff. Look at it. Just so tender chicken. Look at that. So good, dude. So good. It just falls out of the bone. That's crazy, right? Wow, it is good. Who doesn't like lemon on their stuff? I love lemon. I like to, soak it in with the beans and the chicken. All this goodness. Man. Let it soak in that lemon. This is what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Peace.